Hey guys, good morning. I hope everyone's doing well today. I'm just here to tell you a little bit about something that I had actually put on my bridal registry. Basically what I wanted this for was for my wedding day, so I could put just like the essential things in here that I would need for my bridal suite. So I put some matte blotting sheets for my face, deodorants, a little mini sewing kit, makeup remover wipes. I think I had like these portable flats that I also put in here that you could change into and your heels start getting uncomfortable. My phone charger, and maybe a couple other, like my lip gloss and a couple other things that I knew I would need, and I wanted it to stand out so that people knew it would be mine. I was really happy to find something that said bride on it, and then one of my friends picked this up for me. So my wedding was a while ago, but I still have like the blotting sheets in here because I haven't needed, I still have them because I haven't had to use them that often. I really just use them when I get my airbrush makeup done. And you have like these makeup mini wipes on here. Oops, keeps falling over. The dimensions on this product are 7.25 by 4.75. It has no inside pockets. It's made of satin-covered vinyl, so it's very soft, very smooth, and easy to wipe clean, even though it's white, and white doesn't stay very long with me. Helps celebrate the bride and her party. So I think you can actually get like these that say bridesmaid, which makes a nice gift because at your rehearsal dinner you're supposed to get, well, your wedding party, like a little gift. So I didn't do that. I had something else in mind, but it's an option for you guys if you're looking for a gift to give your bridesmaids. And it's pretty, it's classy, it kind of goes with your dress. Not that you're really carrying it around. I kind of just left it in the bridal suite. But I also had brought it on my honeymoon with me. And I think I just carried some essentials around with me, like if I had to bring it to the beach or something like that. It's an Aqua bride travel bag. So the product description: the stylish white travel bag made of satin-covered vinyl makes a great gift for the bride. It measures 7.25 inches wide and 4.75 inches tall and 2.25 inches deep, making it easy to carry. The edges are lined in black, so you guys can see, including the zippered opening at the top. It's black too. The front side is silk screened with an aqua and black design that says bride, and it has no inside pockets. The item weight is 3.2 ounces. The shipping weight is 3.2 ounces as well. And the manufacturer is Lillian Rose. I really like that. I like the way that it's made, and I like that it has like a shiny, kind of like a nylon look to it, because it definitely helps keep it clean. Like, it's a miracle that this has stayed white for a year and a half. Especially with me, I'm always like dropping something whenever I have white on or anything white, and I'm always end up staining whatever I'm wearing that's white as well. So I think it's really cute and it's good quality. Makes a great Christmas gift for someone that's maybe getting married or bridesmaid or birthday gift, whatever you name it. I just happen to put it on my bridal registry, so you could do that too. You could also get this as for like a flower girl, and you can like fill it with goodies as like a thank you for being in the bridal party. The back is like a solid white, stands up straight too. So I just had like a couple things in here. What else do I have in here? Oh, my friend got me this. This was just like, it was called Pinch. It had like a little bit of like some makeup and hair and emergency essentials that people would need on their wedding day. And so this was like a nail polish remover. So I also had put this in there. Mostly everything else that I had in there I've used up by now. So I was really happy that this bag had like so many uses, because it's great you know, a very nice compliment to any bride's travel needs. So like I said, I brought it on my honeymoon after using it all day at my wedding, and it's just very pretty. It's classy. I love that it's white, but I also love the aqua and black on there that kind of complements the white and makes it really stand out. So I think it's very, very pretty. So this was the Lillian Rose TR621 Bride Travel Makeup Bag in Aqua. If you guys found the video useful, and I thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, everybody.